Hi everyone, I'm grading your 4.4 pre-writing assignment for Essay 4, and I've noticed that some of you are kind of struggling with this. Since you only get one shot at the essay, I want to make sure that I kind of clarify a few things. Also, check the feedback that I give you on Essay 4.4 because I'm giving you very specific feedback to try to help you get on track if you're off track or help you develop your ideas a little bit more if you've got a good start. So not very many of you chose option 1, and I understand that. It's a little bit trickier. Go back to the reading, hearing voices, because writing from the reading is going to help you the most. But what she says is that mythology is the true language of inner life. That's her definition of mythology. So you want to expand on this definition by comparing or contrasting Hogan's ideas with other types of inner and external life that we experience, okay? So what you would want to do is come up with 3 ideas that you can write about in your body paragraphs to illustrate with written and oral examples from your heritage and your cultural background and experience that what voices you and yours hear, okay? So that's a little bit trickier, but it's doable. I've seen it done. Option 2, the one that most of you have chosen, is really more simple than the directions make it seem. You're basically writing a definition essay and you are defining what you think cultural diversity is. Again, go back to the article, Linguistic Terrorism, and think about what she says, that ethnic identity is twin-skin to linguistic identity. I am my language. So in other words, what she's saying is that your cultural background and your language background are completely woven together. And that is a sociolinguistic idea that the language we speak is tied very much to our culture. So then what you want to do is think about, well, what elements make a diverse community? So is it diverse types of food, diverse religions, diverse language? Is it we live in a really diverse area? So what makes this area diverse? What elements? And you can pick 3 elements to write about to support your definition. So you are defining what a diverse community is, and your thesis statement can be as simple as a diverse community is X, Y, and Z, and X, Y, and Z are the topics of your 3 body paragraphs. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Just remember that you don't get a revision on this, so it's really important to plan your essay before you write. Really know what you're going to say, no free writes, because that's not academic writing. And then please, please, please take the time to proofread and correct your essay and make sure that there aren't any grammar errors, because that's really messing quite a few of you up. So again, if you need help, let me know, and good luck.